This one, have you done this yet? Only Sunday. Huh? Okay, welcome. Hey, answer me. Got do or not? Never do, tell me. Don't waste my time. Yeah, Danish, did you do your work? Did you even try a little bit? Hello? Okay, let me check. Who is here? We do page 4 maybe. Page 4? What page 4? Delilah? Number what? Question what? Hmm. Okay, never mind. Don't waste my time. Okay? Now, I'll tell you first. This point in time, I can't check. I'm not going to scold anyone. But right now, I'm going to go through. Okay? And if you didn't do, so be it. I can't help you. I told you to do, you didn't want to do, you don't want to try. That's too bad. Alright, so I'm going to start with question 1. Sorry, what do you mean you don't have? where is your worksheet? Do you have it or not? Okay, never mind. I'm gonna start. Okay. Why not you all go and find it? Okay, because I know I gave it to you, all of you. You go and find it, and you can come back to this lesson because it's on YouTube. Okay. Okay. So 1, 8. All right. Find the area and the circumference. Okay. This is circle. I'm going to draw it. All right. Circle of radius 7 cm. Very good, Danish. You have this. Those who just came in. Okay. This is chapter 5 review. I'm starting already. All right. Take this out now. Whether you do or not, I don't know. And if you don't tell me, too bad. But take this out now. I'm going through the answers now. All right. It is correct. It is wrong. Do the corrections. Okay. All right. Amira, you're there. Tell me, how do I find the area of this circle? Can you see now? Is it clear? Do I need to get a darker marker? Okay, wait. Let me get a darker marker. Okay. So the rest, I'm going to put this here. All right. Take the chapter 5 review. Some second. Okay, let me sit down and get a darker marker. Go and take this now. Yeah, back. Okay, Amira, I'll give you quite a long time. You tell me now. This is a circle. The radius 7 cm. Amira, how? Amira, how to find the area? Area equals to what? Don't waste time. Good, very good. Okay, pi times r. Can you see? Can you see from here? Can times r. Okay, let me do a bit bigger. Let me a bit smaller down there. Area equal to pi times r times r. And what did they say pi is? Okay, 22 over 7 times, where's the radius? 7 times 7. And if I cancel, 22 times 7, what's the answer? 1, 1. Okay. Okay, make sure you give me the units. Okay, 1.4 square centimeters. All right, now circumference, Sam. Can you tell me how to get Sam? Can you tell me how to find the circumference, please? Those who cannot find Desiree and Danny and Martin, if you can't find, there's no way I can send it to you or anything like that. All right, it's too bad. But if once you find it, you can come back to this lesson. All right. Yes, sir. Okay, very good. Sorry. Pi times d. Okay. And yes, Sam, carry on. What is the 22 over 7? What's the diameter? What's the diameter, Sam? Yes. Oh, sorry, am I blocking? What's the diameter? What's the diameter? 7 divided by 2. Okay, I want to ask you one thing. This is a radius. This is the diameter. Okay. Do you think it's divide by 2 or times 2? Okay. You made that mistake last week. Please don't make it again. All right. So you need to find out first diameter equals to 7 times 2 equals to 14. Okay, so 14. All right. Diameter equals to cancel is 2 is 1. So 2 times 2 is 44 centimeters. Okay. All right. Simple. And we'll leave this here for 30 seconds and we're waiting and go next. All right. Okay. Area and circumference again. A circle of diameter 20 centimeters. See? It's a circle. Do we have to write down if you're correct? If you are correct and the working is okay, just tick correct. All right. Use green. Okay, always use green. When you're marking for yourself, use green. And also corrections, you do in green as well, so you know it's corrections. All right. Very good, Master. Sorry about it. Okay, sorry about it. Now I'm going to teach through this. Okay. Now, this is the diameter. So once we got the diameter, circumference equals to pi times d. Because they say 3.14, right? 3.14 times diameter straight away. All right. So what is this? This is 2.8. Did they ask you to round down the nearest centimeter or what? Okay. Now the area. Now you have area equals to pi times r times r. Okay. 3.14 times what? Is this a radius? No. Now let's see. Who just joined? Okay, Bishop. Bishop, why did you tell me? Is my radius 20? What is my radius? If the diameter is 20, what's the radius, Bishop? I don't block you. Yes, Bishop, I want to know the. Okay, very good. Okay, Bishop, 10. How do you get 10? Radius equals to 20 divided by 2. Now you divide, okay, Sam? 10. So you need to do 10 times 10. It's very simple because 10 times 10 is actually 3.14 100. Yeah, you just move the decimal places equals to 314 square centimeters. Alright, you need to find move, okay? Is Archie here? Is Archie not here again? Hi. Okay, we're going to take a short break. I need to speak to somebody on the phone. Well, you all go to your SLS. Okay, let me check. Let me see who has done this. Fandi, you have not done the poll. Who is this? Okay, there are a few other people who haven't done the poll. Let me see. Okay, 7 of you have not done the poll. I'm going to see from there. Can you do me a favor? Go and sign in. Okay, sign in to SLS and tell you who is not done it. Fandi. Who's this? It's Martin, I think. Okay, who few of you not here? Go and do this now. Let me make a few calls. Those of you go to the live learning, go and do the poll. Fauzan, where is Fauzan? Martin, you need to ask permission if I need a snack or I go to the toilet. No need, right? Sure, have I done? I don't know. Ask me what have you done? Do you do or not? You tell me, huh? You got do or not? Okay, very good, Archie. Here, there you are. Oh yes, you are doing it very nice. That why couldn't I have done it over the weekend? Huh? Yeah, we erase, huh? We erase this. Anyway, you all can see. Fauzan. I need to talk to you. Just go and take this moment and talk to Fauzan for a while. Okay, you know what? Let those of you who are not done go and copy out. Okay, don't block me. What are you using now? Ayo. Okay, go. Hey, what is this? Kanzaki kun. Okay. Who is this? Okay, let me carry on, okay? Alright. Number 2. A wheel of radius 15 cm in so simple 14 cm makes 3 complete turns. So let's say it starts here, okay, it rolls 1, okay, 2, rolls 2 times and 3 times. What's the distance it travels? Now, and this, remember always, if it starts rolling here, how it rolls is 1 turn, it will roll the circumference 1 time. So 2 turns is 2 times the circumference, 3 turns, 3 times the circumference. Okay, so the first step you need to do is define the circumference, and you know it's 5 times d. Is this a diameter? Okay, it's not a diameter, right? You know that by now. So when you take the diameter equals to 14 times 2, okay. I said take pi is 22 over 7 times 28 equals to 1, and this divided by 7 is 4. So 88 centimeters. But 88 centimeters is just 1 round. Okay, so 3 complete turns, you need to take 88 times 3 equals to, what's the answer? Which is 4 centimeters. Okay? Got it? You lay your pages. Alright? Just remember when you have a wheel, they ask you every time it rolls 1 time, that's with the circumference 1 time. Okay, who is this Kanzaki kun? Let me check. Who are you? Okay, last chance. Yeah, no lesson. Okay, I left my timetable at home, but huh? Thousand supposed to take this out. Ayo, what are you doing? Chapter 5 review. Okay, you're supposed to take out chapter 5 review. Alright, we just done the first few already. Yeah, said we know that from just now already. Go and find it, alright? Ask you to do last week, you never do. Okay, last chance. Anybody knows? Who is this Kanzaki-kun? Okay, bye-bye. Okay, I'll remove them. Oh yeah, the workbook. Go and find your workbook. No, the workbook, I gave you all back the workbook, right? There 10, maybe you haven't done. Okay. Alright, question 3, a bit more difficult. Those of you who just saw it in your workbook, go and rewind it. Okay, later then do it. Okay, now take a live lesson. I want to do question 3. These are difficult questions. Okay, I'm not going to write now, but a wire was used to form a small semicircle and 2 large identical semicircles. So 1 large, 2 large, small one. Okay, now, so this is one circle. Okay, the diameter of each large semicircle, so diameter of each large semicircle, diameter is twice the diameter of the small semicircle. So this is small diameter, okay? And twice. So what does it mean? I'm going to draw you a simple model. So this is a large diameter. I'm going to draw you, okay? What does that mean? Okay, large diameter is how many units? 2 units. Small diameter is 1 unit. Understand? That's what this means. The diameter of each large semicircle is twice the diameter of the small semicircle. 2 times, see? 2 times. Now, so what can you do? What they also showed you was this whole thing is how many cm? 25 cm, right? So what does that mean? 1 large diameter, 2 units. Another large diameter, I'll draw 2 units. Okay. 2 units. 2 units. And small diameter, 1 unit. How many units are there altogether? Can you tell me? Is it raining? Let me just check if it's raining. Tell me how many units are there altogether. Oh yeah, it's raining, huh? Okay, how many, okay, what Mr. Tan is saying, how many units goes to 25 centimeters? Very good, very good. 5 units, okay? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 units, 25 centimeters. Next thing I do is 1 unit equals to 25 centimeters divided by 5. 1 is 5 centimeters. So now, what is the length? This one is very interesting. What is the length of wire? So this is 5 cm. So this now instead of small diameter, I'll put it 5 cm. Large diameter, 2 units equals to 5 times 2 equals to 10. This is 10 cm. 10 cm. Okay, I'll erase the units so that you don't get confused. Plus, now we have to find the diameter. But what am I finding? First, let me find this one. The one large semicircle, another large semicircle. What do they make up? They make up one big circle, right? Ayo, quick charge what you? Okay, so this makes up one large. So I'm going to find out this one now. Okay, what is the circumference? What do I use? Got space here? Circumference equals to pi times d, and you say what is it? Pi is 3.14. What's the diameter? Give you 10 centimeters, which is 31.4 centimeters. Okay, so here what I'm saying is from here to here is 31.4 centimeters. Here I'll show you again. From here to here is 31.4. Now, but what is this one? Okay, same. We have to do now instead of full circumference, it's actually just a semicircle. So down here, circumference, okay, half circumference equals to pi times diameter over what? 2, 4, 6, or 8? Fauzan, your workbook, is it in school? You put it in school, right? Okay, very good, Delilah. Okay, pi times d over 2 and 3.14, the diameter is 5 cm. 5 cm over 2. Okay, let me calculate what it is. Come to school, go and get it, please, 5,000. Okay, so this is 7.85 cm. This is 31.4. This is 7.85. So all I need to do is the wire length equals to 31.4 plus 7.85 cm. Is 39.25 cm. Okay. Just give you 1 minute to complete. Okay, let's see. I'm going to shift it a bit. Right. Okay, let's go for question 4, okay? Okay, field is made up of a rectangle and two identical turning circles. Alright, the length of the field is 200 meters and the radius of each turning circle is 40. Oops. Okay, fine. 40, so this is a radius. We find the perimeter and area of field. So two things. Let's split this up. Okay, area here. I'll find area and I'll find perimeter. Okay, this is radius. Let's look at the area first. It looks a bit easier. But how do I find the rectangle? I need the length and this as well, right? What do you think this is? Is it 40 meters? Okay, I want you to look very carefully. I draw this, let me redraw this circle. I draw it with badly. Okay. If they say that the radius, okay, from the middle to the outside is 40 meters, can you see that this here is the diameter? So the diameter, okay, diameter equals to 40 times 2, okay, times 2 equals to 80 meters. So the area of this and this, okay, for example, pi times r equals to, what did they say pi was? 3.14 times 40 times 40. Okay, diameter we haven't used yet. Okay, wait, this 3.14 times 40, radius times radius. It's equals to what's on the rain sound, I think. Equals to 1, 2, 5, 6 square meters. Alright, this is the area of the circle. Now what about area of this rectangle? A equals to 50 meters, right? So it's just 200 plus 80. So area of rectangle equals to 200 and 80 to 16,000 square meters. And all you need to do for the area is just to add it up. Alright, so 1256 plus 1600. So is it equals to 17256 square meters. Okay, that's the total. Okay. Now, what about perimeter? Perimeter. Okay. First, okay, let me use orange to show you. I want to find this one, the curved edge, and you can see that it's a full circumference. All right. So perimeter, circumference, two half semicircles make one full circle. Pi times 3 equals to 3.14. What's the diameter? I don't know the diameter. 18 meters. Equals to 251.2 square meters. Okay? But don't forget 200. This is 200 as well. So, perimeter equals to 251.2. Okay, sorry, this is meter, not square meters. Meters plus 200 plus 200. Okay, 200 plus 200 equals to 461.2. Okay, that's the answer. Can you see? Right. Okay, tell me if I can finish. I can carry on. All of you can tell me if I can carry on this. Actually, I hear very little. Can I carry on? Okay, carry on, okay? Those who are not done, very simple. You can rewind and look back at this. Okay, number 5. The square that very interesting. The figure shows square ABCD, so there's a square. And a quarter circle. Okay, I drew wrong again. Okay, that one. Let me draw the quarter circle first. Okay, and the square inside. And it's ABCM, it's B, C, D, A. Okay, the length of AC is 8 cm. What is the radius of the quarter circle? Radius, that means they want to think. Now class, I want to get a very close look at this. Okay, this is a square. And because this square is, this is called diagonal of a square, the other diagonal will be 8 cm as well. And if this diagonal is 8 cm, doesn't that make that the radius? R equals to 8 cm. That's it. So this is 8 cm as well. Okay, you see 8 cm, 8 cm here. So question A, very simple. What's the radius of quarter circle? 8 cm. That's it. And what now the difficult one? What is the total area of the shaded part? Now what must I do to find the area of the shaded parts? You must take the quarter circle, the area, the whole thing, minus the square, right? Yes? Now, this one is a bit difficult, but we'll get through this. Okay? First, let's find the area of the quarter circle. This one. So, area of this one equals to pi times r divided by 2 or 4. Come to answer me, 2 or 4. Martin, please don't be cheeky with me. If you are sleepy, then don't participate. Okay? Okay, very good. 4. Alright, because it's a quarter circle, divide by 4. Pi is what? They didn't tell you what pi is now. Okay, if they tell you what pi is, I'm going to leave it in pi. Okay, so this is pi times what's the radius? 8 times 8 over 4 equals to pi. 8 times 8 is times 64 over 4. And 64 divided by 4 is 16. Okay, to 16 pi. So this thing is 16 pi. So now I want to find. I found the proper circle at 16 pi. Don't worry, if I want to multiply 3.14, no problem. I can do that anytime. Okay, it's just 16 times 3.14. Alright, but now how do I find the area of the square? Area of the square should be here times here, right? But you know here times here? You don't. But what you do know is if this is 8 cm, you know that this is 4 cm, right? And doesn't this look like a triangle to you? Two identical triangles. You see? So if I want to find two identical triangles, very simple. This one. So area of this triangle is the area of, let me draw this triangle like that. It equals to half times base times height. Now what's the base? Can you see me? Oh, sorry. What's the base? Base is 8 cm equals to half times 8. What's the height? 4 cm. Okay, this is equals to just 4 times half times 8 is 4. So 4 times 1 is 16 square centimeters. So this is 16 square centimeters. If this is 16 square centimeters, what's the other one? It's 16 as well, right? 16 square centimeters. So this is 16 square centimeters. This is 16 square centimeters. Alright, since they ask you to give your answer correct to decimal places, let's just substitute. So 16 pi is 16 times 3.14 equals to. Oh, no, sorry. This one, you need to use the calculator value of pi. So you need to do 16 times pi. You need to do that. Okay, let's find out what that is. Okay, they ask for two decimal places, right? Give 3 then. 50.265. Okay, square centimeters. So all you have to do is let's take away 16 and 16. Alright, shaded area equals to 50.265 minus 16 minus 16. Okay, minus 16 minus 16 equals to 18.265. And you want it in two decimal places. Go up or down? Tell me. If it's 5 is at the end, you want two decimal places. Go up or down? Very good. So this becomes, answer is 18.27. Alright. Okay, 1 minute for you to copy. Okay, can I remember your erase again? I'll erase your first. Okay, so I'm going to help you. I'm going to erase the rest, okay? The next question, question part 6. Alright, identical circles are cut out from a rectangle about 3 meters long and 25 cm wide. So this thing is actually 3 meters. Okay, and I'm going straight up convert here because I already get confused. This is 300 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Okay, how many identical circles can be cut out from the cardboard? Okay, now take a look. One circle, what is the diameter? You know it is 50 centimeters. I'm going to move this a little bit, okay? I'm just going to move this. Can you see that it's same as well? If I move this here, the two diameters is 50 cm. So one diameter equals to 50 centimeters divided by 2. So 25 centimeters. Yeah, that's true. See, one is 25 centimeters. So if one is 25 centimeters, how many pieces of paper can I cut out? 300, 25. We just take 300 divided by 25. Okay, we are counting the length here. Cm divided by 25 cm equals to 12. So the answer for A is 12. Okay? How many identical circles I can cut 12 off? Exactly, nicely. What is the area of the cardboard left after cutting out all the identical circles? Now, you may see, oh, Mr. Tan, it's so difficult, but it's not. All you have to do is, you know you can cut out 12, right? I can draw out 12, but this is way longer than it should be. Now, how? Can you see that all this area that is left behind, all I have to do is take the whole length times the whole length. I get the area of the whole rectangle minus all the areas of this circles. Alright, so next is find out area of the rectangle equals to 305, and that gives me 7500 square centimeters. Okay, 7,500 square centimeters. Now, what's the area of one circle? Area of one circle equals to pi times r times r. You must realize this is 25 cm. Okay, what is the radius then? It's half. So radius equals to 25 divided by 2, 25 centimeters. Equals to, let's say, 3.14 to 3.4 times 0.5 0.5 equals to 490 or 625 square centimeters. This area of one circle. But I have 12 circles here. So area of 12 circles equals to 12 times 490.625 equals to, is that n on the bottom of it? Equals to 5887.5 square centimeters. Now, what you have done is you have found out the area of 12 these circles. And that is 587.5 square centimeters. So all you do is take this minus this. Okay, so final answer is shaded equals to 7500 square centimeters. 587.5 square centimeters. Equals to 1612. Okay? And That's the answer for it. What's the area of the cupboard there? And you see, they ask you to round up or round down. So you see, my number, 3 decimal places, I left here. It's 3 decimal places, but then, now it becomes just 1 decimal place. Okay, that's the end for today. I will finish up now. So, what's the next thing you do? Very simple. You know the circles, I don't have it here in Nina, unfortunately. You know the circles, there's a worksheet. It's behind the percentage worksheet. Okay, so that's your homework. Alright, here, okay. Homework. Circles. Worksheet. Here is the worksheet. This is not a workbook, the circles worksheet. Just try to finish up the whole thing. Alright. Okay, Desiree did ready. So please go and find your this one, do it, and then refer to this for answers, okay? Those who don't have like Martin, everybody, yes. Those who have done, those who have done this very good. Just hold it now. Okay, I'm going to go through the next session. All right, let me go and I can't remember offhand when it's the next section, but I'll put it on. Oh yeah, we have some SRS. Yeah. Oops. Hmm. No, I didn't put up. Okay, never mind. I'll put the announcement. So yes, topical worksheet. Very good. Circles, topical worksheet. Okay, so go and do that. Go and do the circles topical worksheet, and I will see you the next session. Okay, let's do that now. Okay, bye bye. Okay, let me just take a comment. Who is here? Who is not here? Okay, sign out already. I will go and check who is here. Okay. Okay, Archie is here. Ozan is here. Fandi is here. Shahizad. Martin is here. Sam is here. Fisher. Felicia, Laila, myself, Fazlu, Navino, Desiree, Amira, Nazuri. Okay. Check it. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.